Hi everybody, Christopher here, San Francisco Reiki Center. Happy June. Just making a little newsletter video, trying this out for this month. Happy Pride. It's LGBTQI Pride this month, and also just wanted to show what's in our front of our SF Reiki Center, welcoming all races, all religions, all countries of origin, all sexual orientations, all gender. We stand with you. You are safe here. And wanted to make a video today just to talk a little bit about, I'm a member of the LGBTQI community. I'm transgender, and have a video on my website talking a little bit about that. I also have a podcast that I did with Ace Morgan Fitness talking about being trans and having SF Reiki Center be an inclusive space where we welcome everybody from all walks of life, and how I feel really good about that. So, yes, just wanted to say hi, and I hope everyone is doing all right, doing well. And we are seeing clients and having classes and lots of community activities, as well as I'm very actively involved in global Reiki work through Northwest Reiki Gathering, Reiki Alliance, Reiki Centers of America, and Reiki Unified. So love for you to learn more about that. I'll put some links into the newsletter as well, and you can also look at that on our resources page on the website. So looking forward to seeing you all soon. Bye-bye.